Ever pondered on the significance of timing when launching a product? The concept of the market window provides an insightful answer to this question. Imagine a window in a bustling marketplace. This window doesn't just open to the sights and sounds of the market, but to a period of time, a period when the market is most receptive to a specific product. This, my friends, is the market window. The market window refers to a period when a product can maximize its sales. It's the golden period when the market conditions are just right and the product is in high demand. It's like the ripe season for a fruit. Harvest it too early and it's not ready, too late and it's spoiled. But how does one identify this market window? It's a blend of market research, understanding target consumers, and studying market trends. It's about understanding when the consumer needs the product and when the competition is least fierce. Now, why is hitting this market window so crucial? It's simple. A product launched too early may not find a market ready for it. A product launched too late may find the market already saturated with alternatives. Either way, missing the market window could lead to a significant loss in potential sales. Think of it as a door to a party. Arrive too early and you're waiting around for the party to start. Arrive too late and you've missed all the fun. The market window is that sweet spot when the party is in full swing. In a nutshell, the market window is a key determinant of a product's success. It's the perfect blend of timing, market conditions, and consumer demand. It's the difference between a product that soars and one that sinks. It's the reason why some products make history, while others become footnotes. So, the next time you see a product launch, remember, it's not just about the product, it's about the market window. And the most successful products are those that not only fit through this window, but do so at the right time.